In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of becoming an instructor on Udemy. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to get started on this popular online learning platform. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening your favorite web browser, and in the address bar, type Udemy and press enter. This will take you directly to Udemy's homepage, where you'll be greeted with a wide array of courses covering all sorts of topics. But today, our focus is getting you set up as an instructor. Once you're on the Udemy homepage, look towards the top of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Teach on Udemy. Go ahead and click that. You're now on your way to creating and sharing your own courses with students from all over the world. By clicking this button, you're expressing your interest in becoming an instructor, which is the first step in this journey. After clicking Teach on Udemy, you'll see an option that says Get Started. This is your gateway to begin the process of creating courses. Udemy will guide you through a series of questions designed to help you lay the foundation for your courses. These questions are crafted to understand your background, your teaching goals, and the subject area you're interested in covering. Take your time to answer them thoughtfully, as they play a crucial role in shaping your course structure. One tip here is to have a clear idea of the subject you want to teach. Think about what you're passionate about and what you can bring to the table in terms of expertise. This will not only make the process smoother, but will also help you create engaging and valuable content for your future students. As you move through these questions, you'll be prompted to set up your instructor profile. Remember, this is your opportunity to make a great first impression. Potential students will visit your profile, so highlight your experience, qualifications, and what they can expect from your courses. A well-crafted profile can go a long way in attracting students. Once you've set everything up, you'll be able to start creating courses. This means you can plan your lessons, create video content, and design assignments or quizzes. Be sure to utilize high-quality video and audio equipment to ensure your presentations are professional. After you have uploaded your course content, you can preview what learners will see, make any necessary adjustments, and finally submit it for review. Congratulations! You've now completed the initial steps to becoming an instructor on Udemy. Remember, the key to success on this platform is to create courses that are both informative and engaging. Keep your students in mind as you design your content, and always look for ways to improve and expand your teaching repertoire. And there you have it. In a few steps, you're on your way to sharing your knowledge with a global audience. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and achievable, and you're feeling excited to get your first course off the ground. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create.